Okay, so we're going to look at doing the 10 plus combinations. So if you have pre-made 10 frames, those work, or if you have blank ones and you can just use counters, I'm going to just model with some pre-made ones. So if we did this, then I would lay these out to where I would have 9, and then I'd have another 10 frame. And this is a lot like what they described in the purple book using a bus. So if there are 9 people on this bus and 5 people on this bus, you want to know how much would that be altogether. So if one person left from this bus and came over here, what would you now have? And so you want them to visualize a counter moving from here to here. So now they know that this is going to be 10. And if we moved one off of here, that would be 4. So we're making that 10 and 4 combination. Now, a lot of times in the beginning, I don't really tell them to move. I would just say visualize what would happen and see if they can figure it out. So you can do 9 and 5. 9 and 7, again, want to visualize. So how would you do that? What would happen? And so you do just different combinations. Again, you can do pre-made ones, or like I said, you can build it. You can also use other materials than that, but you can also change it up to where the first card you use is 8 and 5, and say, okay, if I took 2 over and made it over here, now what would I have? Oh, I would have 10 and 3. Well, what's 10 and 3? 13. Well, then, so what was 8 and 5? So you want to make it come back and connect to that first equation that you built. But if they can't move the materials, it forces them to have that visualization. So that is one way to do the making combinations of 10 with pre-made 10 frames.